All right. So when we convert to the logarithm here, what we need to remember is base raised to this equals this. So what I mean by that is log base 9. The exponent is on the right of the equal sign. 9 squared equals 81. That's how you convert that to a logarithm. The base here goes here. What the log equals is the exponent, and 9 squared is what the log is of 81. When we want to solve for a log, we do need calculators, and the greater than sign or an equal sign really makes no difference. Okay? I'm not even sure if we did a greater than sign when I taught this originally, but it's pretty simple in terms of how we go about it. Whenever we have a variable in a, oh, actually, no, I'm sorry. Make this even easier on ourselves, my fault. 3 and 9, I can turn this into 2x, well, 3 to the 2x plus 4 is greater than 3 squared. Okay? When we have similar bases, we can do that. What's up? Yes. Okay. So now, 2x plus 4 is greater than 2. I subtract 4, 2x is greater than negative 2. My x is greater than negative 1, and that's my answer. That's it. Okay. When you can get the same base, do that. You don't need to do the logs. Here, this is simply 4 cubed has to equal that x. The answer is 64. Whenever you have the same log and the base right here, you can set what the logs are equal to each other. X equals 6. Here, we want to get similar bases. So it's 5 squared to the 4x plus 3. So 5 to the 3x minus 5 equals 5 to the 8x plus 6. When you can get similar bases, do so. And then you set the exponents equal. 3x minus 5 equals 8x plus 6. We get 5x. We subtract 6, negative 11. My x is negative 11 over 5. X cubed equals 27. X raised to this gives me this. So my x is 3. I believe that is it.